We found this prime location, folks. We've almost stepped on a snake. Cody's right here. He's doing all right. We're in there. You can hear an airplane going over the top, but we've been working our way down this channel here. You can't really get to this with a boat. I guess you could if you had a ramp, but we decided, we found it and said, let's throw the yaks in. I missed a couple good ones up there because of swift current, but we're thinking we might take a stab at this right here and go down to this other boat ramp that's on down the water here. Wish us luck, folks. We're gonna see what it do. Oh. All right, let him go. You can let him go, you good.
That's depressing, you know.
Let's put him on this side. Got him. Yes, sir.
What is it?
I'll take it.
Perch?
Hell yeah. I'll take it. All right, folks. I'm off to a bad start. Look at this, man. God, dog. He done wet the bed on me. Little perch. There you go. There you go, boy. All right, there you go. Shout out to the bass boat that's trying to kill us.
Got a bass.
Got him.
What we got?
Yes, sir. King's of bass, baby. He's warm too. Yeah, okay, we'll take it.
Your GoPro on?
Yes, sir.
It is?
Yep. Got him. Let's let him go. Thank you.